Do you play games? What type of game do you play? If you are an old-timer gamer, chances are you heard about this game, Doom. Doom is a 1993 first-person shooter, FPS, game developed by id Software for MS-DOS, an old operating system for Windows. Players assume the role of a space marine, popularly known as Doom Guy, fighting his way through hordes of invading demons from hell. Will this programmer run Doom in unordinary devices? Pregnancy Test Kit. Many programmers started to run the Doom game on various unordinary devices. For example, Doom was successfully launched on Apple Watch, Apple TV, MacBook Pro's Touch Bar, in Minecraft, on a microwave, and even on a 1998 Kodak DC260 camera. But programmers continue to conquer new gadgets. Recently, Foone Turing, the California-based programmer, has made 1993's Doom playable on a pregnancy test. Foone Turing posted several short videos on Twitter. One of them shows that Doom's gameplay is being demonstrated on an electronic pregnancy test's tiny display. In another video, he showed a playback of a fragment from the game The Elder Scrolls V: Skyrim on the test display, a fragment of Never Gonna Give You Up by Rick Astley, and other videos. And he also showed how to run Doom on a pregnancy test. Gamers just need to connect the controls for it. However, it should be noted that to implement the project, Turing made some hardware changes to the pregnancy test. He replaced the display and microcontroller, so the only part of the original test is its case. Still, getting Doom to run on a monochrome display with a resolution of 128 by 32 dots of 1 bit per pixel is an impressive achievement. Now, Foone's pregnancy test Doom is the legend of it. Please like and subscribe for more knowledge-gematic videos.